Construction worldwide uses 40% of all the raw materials extracted on the planet, and construction, renovation, and demolition of buildings in the US account for more than 1/5 of our total waste stream. This is why it is so important that we try to divert as much construction and demolition waste from landfills. LEED does a great job of promoting waste diversion, and LEED V4 takes this to another level by including a prerequisite into the mix. There are a number of key terms that you should be familiar with as we move through the credit language. Some of these are clear and others may be new to you. Material waste streams in LEED are defined by where the waste is going. It needs to constitute at least 5% of weight or volume of the project's total diverted waste. Let's look more closely at how to define waste streams in LEED. As we mentioned previously, a waste stream is defined by where the waste is going. In simple terms, if you separate your materials on site and send each material to a separate recycling facility, you have individual waste streams. In this slide, we have 3 separate materials: drywall, metal, and carpet tiles. If each of these is brought to its own facility for recycling, then you have 3 separate material waste streams. Let's say you don't have any room on your site, so you have one bin. This is going to be considered commingled. In this situation, your same 3 materials now go into a single bin and off to a single site. This would only count as a single material waste stream. Let's take this one step further. Your same single bin is getting sorted off-site, and your waste hauler can give you individual itemized breakdowns of the waste that you put in that one bin, and can tell you where they brought each of the materials or what happened to them. Then you get to count each individual material again as a separate waste stream. So, the same 3 materials get put in a single bin. The waste hauler brings the bin to their site and separates the materials and gives the project team a waybill that says, by the way, your bin had X amount of drywall that we brought for recycling, X amount of metals that went to this other facility for recycling, and X amount of carpet tiles that we sent to this other facility for reuse. If you can get this breakdown from your hauler, you can count this as 3 waste streams, because LEED looks at where the materials go when it counts those material waste streams. Just to finish on this idea of material waste streams, it is possible that a single material can contribute to multiple waste streams as well. In this example, we have carpet that we've removed from an existing building. Perhaps we found that there are multiple manufacturers of carpet and we need to bring it to different recycling facilities. Let's say some go to the Habitat Restore and others are brought to a manufacturer take-back program. In this instance, we would have quantities that went to each facility, and because there are 2 places the waste is being diverted to, we can count these as separate waste streams. This is going to be important when we look at the prerequisite and credit language.